G'day. My name is Commander Highlander. I come from the place where the oceans meet the earth, turn into valleys that carry the mountains high into the skies above, into the place where we fly with the golden falcons of yesteryear. I walk among nature today to share this message with you. As I feel the rain upon my face, I feel the will to share this old sacred story. A tale of a brave warrior. A brave warrior is never afraid to feel the wind and the rain in his face. No matter how tough life gets, no matter what's going on, we're never afraid. But we're also smart enough to get the fuck out of the wind and the rain before we catch a cold. Write that down.